Hey, film studies students, and this is your second week. And remember, we're in quarter four, so you're awfully close to done. And for those of you who are seniors, know that we're going to end this probably around mid-May for you. The last 2 weeks will be catch up, so that I can make sure that I have a pretty accurate report to your schools on who's graduating. For everybody else, we'll continue as normal. This week we're our second week, and we're doing comedy, and this should be a little bit fun. So let's go through what we're going to do this week. Um, Similar to last week. All right. We're on units 4, so classic comedy and response. I just want you to pick two of these clips here. They're not long and they're classic. They're different kinds of classic comedy. Um, one's from the 80s, one's from the 90s, one's from the 50s, and then one's from the 2000 and teens. Write a 200-word reflection on what was funny and not funny about the two clips you used, and make sure you tell me which two clips you watched. So you pick two, tell me why it's funny or not, and write 200 words on that. So it's 100 word each. It's a little short, but it'll work. And it's 88 points out of 10 is the reflection. 2 points is just remember the telling me what clips you're actually referring to. Then you're going to do comedic films. Now this week, last week you just watched the Truman Show. This week you're going to watch your choice of Tootsie, A Knight's Tale, Hook, and A League of Their Own. So this is an 80s, this is a 2000s, this is a 90s, and this is a 90s film. So we're watching some older movies, and they're different kinds of comedies. You need to pick one of questions 1 and 2 and one of questions 3 and 4. So what makes the movie you picked a comedy? What subgenre do you think it belongs to and why? So pick one of those. Then pick one of these. Is this comedy dated? Would it be funnier when it was released than it is now? Why or why not? And what is your favorite scene in the movie and why? And that's it. So do that with the comedy here, and then you are to tell us what movie you watched and was it funny, why or why not, and have a discussion about it. And that's all you're doing this week. All right, so I hope you got that done, and there we go. Okay, let's end it off here. I hope you have a great week, and I look forward to teaching you.